Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Stonecrest Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. When you choose to work with our long-distance movers, you get professional service from start to finish. We can help you move to the next state over or all the way across this great country. Along with residential moving services, we also offer packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. You might not think you need to hire a Georgia moving company for a local move. You're just going a few miles away, so what's the point? Most people don't realize until they are halfway through the move how much work it is to move. When you hire local movers, you get a team ready to do the heavy lifting and save you plenty of time. When you need the convenience of a local moving company, you need 3 movers. We will streamline your moving day to ensure you get to where you need to go faster. A move that might take you a few days to complete, we get it done in one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Stonecrest moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.